Complex design projects require an easy exchange of the CAD data, and here the possibility of export to such a widespread and well-known format as PDF is of importance. For instance, I know that contractors send information to subcontractors in PDF format quite often. Export to PDF is quite a reliable feature used by our members, but ODA goes on improving it and adding new value to it, and I will enumerate the most remarkable improvements. Export multiple databases into one PDF document. That means that you have multiple databases with multiple layouts, and you pick up different layouts from different databases and add them to one PDF document. What's more important, those databases may represent various formats like RVT, DWG, and whatever. Watermarks. It is quite a common practice to add watermarks to your documents, and initially it seemed that it's quite a dangerous procedure to edit the very database on the export step or the export procedure, but we revealed that there is a native mechanism that in the very PDF, and now we support it, and it's an easy and clear way to add watermarks, which works not only for DWG but for the whole bunch of products, PMI, CDG, everything that ODA supports. The next point, high resolution support. There is a render mode in ODA SDK that displays 3D figures named shaded. Sometimes we want to export those figures to PDF, but in PDF export we don't have such mode, and thus they're exported as bitmaps with the low resolution, which is quite sad. This situation was recently improved. It was improved in the following way. New modes were added. They are tiled and striped modes, and as it goes from their names, the viewport in these modes is rendered as a set of tiles or stripes to correspond to the necessary vector resolution. The next item, GSK for PDF export. We often have the complex drawing with many entities combined in blocks, and it takes much time to render the entities in such drawings one by one. Luckily, we have graphic cache in our graphic system, which can be used to speed up the rendering process. But what about export? Is it possible to utilize similar approach for export? And the answer is yes. And recently introduced GSK is this answer. So it allows to speed up the export process significantly. For instance, for some types of drawings, it gives a quarter speed up, but for big complex ones, it may be several times quicker after using GSK.